for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Getting an education is mandatory in developed countries, but most do not appreciate it enough. We should value our education highly and work hard because it is compulsory for many different reasons and adds significant value to our lives. Education in India is primarily managed by state-run public education system which fall under the command of the government at three levels: central, state and local. There are many positive effects on education, but most of them fall under the two criteria to allow us to make personal progress and improve our chances of survival. Reading gives us more than we could ever have. In addition to the evident skills and truths, we learn self-control and motivation, punctuality, social skills, and much more. We also gain confidence and self-confidence by completing jobs and being commended for good work and learning the good and the bad as we are punished for any wrongdoing from an early age. Teaching is shown to increase people's sense of self-worth, satisfaction in life, and overall happiness. So ultimately, being a perfect person with a lot of joy is an outstanding educational achievement. It is a journey that accompanies achievements, struggles, success, failures, importance, and efforts. Education begins at home with parents and continues the lifelong journey till death. To say education is important is an understatement. Education is a weapon to improve one's life. It is probably the most important tool to change one's life. Education certainly determines the quality of an individual's life. Education improves one's knowledge, skill, and develops the personality and attitude. Most noteworthy, education affects the chances of employment for people. A highly educated individual is probably very likely to get a job. We will tell you about the value of education in life and society. First of all, education teaches the ability to read and write. Reading and writing is the first step in education. Most information is done by writing. Hence, the lack of writing skills means missing out on a lot of information. Consequently, education makes people literate. Above all, education is extremely important for employment. It certainly is a great opportunity to make a decent living. This is due to the skills of a high paying job that education provides. Uneducated people are probably at a huge disadvantage when it comes to jobs. It seems like many poor people improve their lives with the help of education. Better communication is yet another role in education. Education improves and refines the speech of a person. Furthermore, individuals also improve other means of communication with education. Education makes an individual a better user of technology. Education certainly provides the technical skills necessary for using technology. Hence, without education, it would probably be difficult to handle modern machines. People become more mature with the help of education. Sophistication enters the life of educated people. Above all, education teaches the value of discipline to individuals. Educated people also realize the value of time much more. To educated people, time is equal to money. Finally, educations enable individuals to express their views efficiently. Educated individuals can explain their opinions in a clear manner. Hence, educated people are quite likely to convince people to their point of view. Education helps in spreading knowledge in society. This is perhaps the most noteworthy aspect of education. There is a quick propagation of knowledge in an educated society. Furthermore, there is a transfer of knowledge from generation to another by education. Education helps in the development and innovation of technology. Most noteworthy, the more the education, the more technology will spread. Important developments in war equipment, medicines, computers take place due to education. It is a ray of light in the darkness. It certainly is a hope for a good life. Education is a basic right of every human on this planet. To deny this right is evil. Uneducated youth is the worst thing for humanity. Above all, the governments of all countries must ensure to spread education. Education opens a portal of many opportunities that leads a man to become successful in life. It is not only upgrades our personality but molds us spiritually, mentally, and intellectually. A person can attain success only through proper education. Education holds a vital role in our life, and it is highly essential to be aware of the importance and upgrade ourselves. There are three types of education: formal education that teaches us the basics, academic or trade skills; informal education through life lessons, people and nature; and non-formal education through various community nation based programs. These improvements alone increase our chances in life and our ability to do the things we want to do, as the social skills we have acquired allow us to build good relationships, and all other skills will help when it comes to getting a job. There is, in a sense, a good relationship between the level of education people receive and the amount of money they earn. Educated people are less likely to be unemployed or to have less money to support their families. They may busy a lovely house in an excellent location, a nice car, and regular family vacations. Educated people are less likely to go to jail because they will be able to support their families without crime, and are less likely to be violent as they can communicate better through language. This ongoing research adds so many different skills to your repository that employment opportunities and earning potential also improves. No matter what level of education a person has, a good education will make him better than anyone with little or no education. This is because of the marketing skills they have acquired. Literacy and basic mathematical skills are essential for independent living and working. Good communication skills and the ability to work with the team and independently are often the fundamental requirements of any job. These are developed in the education system through group projects and individual projects. All in all, education gives us the skills we need to enjoy a happy and successful life. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।